So alright, okay. I have two hard drive here. So this 1 terabyte and this 1 terabyte. So first we'll open the NVRO. Where's my school? Where's my school link? So open the NVRO. You see, there's a screw here. Just give me a minute, let me check this bit. This bit is one out. It's a bit now. So I think we are done. So let me move on. So this is it. So it does not come with hard drive. So it has, like I said, it has 2 slots for hard drive. So this is your hard drive. See, the other hand goes in here. So I have one slot here, So the other hand of this comes in here. You see it? As the same way you plug put the other one. So you can decide to use one hard drive. This installation we are using 2 hard drive. The advantage for using 2 hard drive is such that if one packs up, the other one can be recording while you make arrangements to change the other one. So, and see the other one goes through the outputs. So that's it. Now, okay, so this for the power the hard drive. So you can see the ports here. You see it carefully close to where this hard drive connector is. This for the data for the hard drive and this for the power. So one. So then the other one has 2 points that goes into the hard drive. So one like this. So that point comes into the hard drive. Like this. Simple. So see our connection. Let's see it very clear. So now, so this is how to connect your hard drive. So that's it. So after connecting your hard drive, then you screw back your bus. You are done.